math ing. I used to be able to teach ing. I love math.
What? Hey guys, Mr. Ing here telling you how to turn in your math work electronically 2024-25. There's 3 options: orange, yellow, green. Orange one is you see something on the screen that's a PDF and you just take out a notebook paper and you copy down the problem, show all your work, and we'll scan it. Second one is just using Cami and a digital pen, like an Apple Pencil, and you're annotating on it. I'll show you the next slide. And should say option 3 there in green. I give you the packet and you just use pencil and then we'll turn it into a PDF. So this is the passed out packet here. Student did it in pencil and then scanned it. Option number 2 here is using like an Apple Pencil or the one in the back of the classroom. The steps, you're going to, number 1, scan it. Number 2, put it into your digital backpack, the Google Drive. And number 3, you're going to be using upload and turn in your assignments through ekadence. Don't use Adobe Scan. The reason why is students have done it in the past and sometimes it houses the document in Adobe. Then the students will share me the document and sometimes the links will expire. So always put it into your Google Drive. Here's a couple of tools if you have an iOS, Apple, iPhone, or iPad. Number 1, I suggest Genius Scan here in orange. Number 2, the Google Drive app, which you'll need if you're using the orange one. Cam Scanner just leaves a watermark at the bottom. It's still pretty good. And don't use Adobe Scan. That's why I'm deleting it here. Androids, you can use Google Drive or Cam Scanner. And then if you have a Chromebook, you can actually use your camera to scan, but it's not great. Let me show you some tips here or hacks. Isabella from last year says, hey, let's skip a step. Number 1, in your phone, go ahead and go to your web browser like Safari. Log into your HSD Gmail, go to ekadence, go to the assignment, and then upload it from your camera or camera roll. That saves you a step. Thanks, Isabella. And another hack, thank you to Kylie. She says this is how she did it. She just takes out her iPhone, iOS, and uses Notes and takes a picture of work and it turns it into a PDF. Let's take a look at some examples of me doing this.
You scan, and if it asks you for your credit card or money, don't do it, or a premium version. So I'm going to press the plus so I can scan. It's open, and it's like a video game, so you can get my screen. I need to move this up, and I basically want it to have an orange box around my work. You see that? And then I'm not going to touch anything, and I'm just going to flip the paper over. Oops, it took a second. Okay. So now on my phone, I'm going to press done. And you can see the 3 pictures. And I don't want the second one because you can make a mistake. And I want you to notice that I have 2 pictures, the front and back, in one file. You see that? The next thing I'm going to do is press the share button in the bottom right. And on yours, you're looking for other apps. Everyone say it? So on your phone, I noticed today that most of them are at the bottom, but mine is here at the other top. If you press any of these, it'll take you to, I'll just show it to you. It'll say premium version. $40 a year. I don't want that. So other apps. And you should have Google Drive on there. So I have Google Drive. And then a lot of students will just press upload, but you want a location on the My Drive. So I'm just going to put it Christmas lip sync. And then you can just save it there. Press upload. And then you have a file in your Google Drive. Okay?
Guys, I'm going to show you how to use Genius Scan. So download Genius Scan and the Google Drive app. Genius Scan is orange. You're going to press the plus sign here in the bottom left. You're going to scan something like this document right here. You want to get the orange box. It'll automatically take the picture. Hold steady. And then say you have a backside or multiple pages, don't touch anything. Get the orange box, scan, press done. Okay, so here you can adjust it. Bottom left, I'm pressing edit. I maybe want that to be color because it was originally in color. And then the bottom right, there's a square with an up arrow, or for Android, it's 3 dots with like it looks like a triangle or a web. You're gonna do share. You're gonna look for other apps. Mine is at the top, yours might be at the bottom. And what you're trying to locate is your Google Drive. If you click the Google Drive button right there in the middle, if I press it, it's saying, hey, give me $40. And we don't want to do that, so other apps. And then you're scrolling through, and then if you don't, you can press more of the 3 dots. Look for Google Drive, but mine's already in the front there. And then, so I'm gonna upload it into my drive, and then you get to choose a location. Make sure you have like a math folder or something like that, and then just press save there. And that's how you scan from Genius Scan.
The Google Drive app, just click on it. And instead of adding a file, they have this new one where you can actually scan. So let's say I'm scanning my answer sheet. Same thing. I'm going to go high. This one has a blue one. Oh, got it. And then you turn it over. I didn't do anything. Same file. Scan. Okay. So what it looks like is when I press save, it has made a file. It even made a fake name that was a timesheet, and then you can upload it to your drive. So I prefer again Genius Scan or Google Drive.
All right, I'm on my iPhone, and I'm gonna use the Google Drive app to make PDF files. So if you just click on that, there in the bottom right, you have a plus sign, and then that little blue symbol. The plus sign just gives you a new document. You want the plus one. And then you have your camera above. So I have this document right here. Just raise it high enough. Get the corners. Don't do anything. Just turn the page. I'm gonna quickly do a 4-page document front and back. Raise it high right above it. And the last page. And then you'll just press save. And then you'll do the same thing, locate a correct file that you want to put it into. But the cool thing is it's using artificial intelligence to guess a name based on what it sees there. So hopefully you click, somewhere, wherever you want the folder to be, just remember what it is and what you titled it, and then just press upload. Now uploading onto ekadence. So here I am on ekadence, and here I'm on student mode. Here's an old assignment here. And so what you need to do is just click Start Assignment. Where it says Begin Your Submission, you don't need to write anything, but you can write out the math or something. And what you need right here is embed into the file from Google Drive. Find it from your digital backpack. You can type in the name of the file that you're looking for. Turning in your math work electronically. I can click on it right here. And then it's automatically saying, hey, I need some permissions to just view it. So you just press proceed. And then you scroll down, and then your work is now embedded. And if it's a Google Slides or a PDF file, then you can just go towards the right there. Or if you want to upload a PDF, remember you can just go to your Google document or Slides and just press download, and then PDF. And you do it from the desktop, you go to Drive, or you can just directly upload it into ekadence. So that's how you turn in your work electronically. Hopefully that was helpful for you. We'll see you guys later. Bye.
I had to divide to get it right. I'm really playing chess. I use my knife, can't fall behind. I got it right. Don't sleep in class, or you won't pass. I use my formula sheet, cause I don't cheat. I use it on my test. I'm feeling blessed, rose for Christ. You gotta come, remember in class, we don't chew gum. Get off your phone and pay attention. Not to mention, you're your detention.